Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well. शादियाँ आ रही हैं, wedding season is coming in full swing and I wanted to share with you guys my top 10 nude lipsticks for the wedding season. I personally love to wear a good nude for any functions or parties because I don't want to be worried about a red lip or a brighter lip moving around when you eat something. Obviously शादी है तो खाना वाना तो खाओगे ना, and when you eat your lipsticks usually bleed, especially the brighter colors, and you have to touch up again and again and keep a look at your lipstick. मेरे से ये सब नहीं होता, so I always go for a good nude lipstick. थोड़ा बहुत move करती भी है, so it is very easy to take care of rather than a bright lipstick which you have to touch up again and again, and मुझे touch up करना पसंद नहीं है बार बार. So anyways, my top 10 nude lipsticks from the drugstore, and all of these are under 1000 bucks. Most of them are new, जो मैंने पहले अपने चैनल पे नहीं दिखाई है, एक आधी शायद रिपीट होगी, but I absolutely love all of these lipsticks. Also in today's video मैं अपना दिवाली giveaway का winner announce करने वाली हूँ, so please stay tuned till the very end to know the winner, and let's get started with today's video. Now in no particular order, मैं पहले bullet lipsticks दिखाऊंगी because they are easier to swatch, उनको उतारना लगाना आसान है, and then last में अपनी liquid lipstick pics दिखाऊंगी. And let's start with what is on my lips today. Guys, पीछे अगर थोड़ी सी ड्रिलिंग की या इसकी आवाज़ आएगी ना, आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट बिकॉज नीचे कुछ काम चल रहा है एंड थोड़ी बहुत आवाज़ तो आएगी. आई ट्राई टू कीप इट very low, but थोड़ी बहुत आएगी, उसके लिए I am very sorry. So what I'm wearing on my lips right now is my Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade 01 Helen. This is what it looks like. It is a nice magnetic packaging, magnetic closure, and then this is what the bullet on it looks like. It is a beautiful pinky peachy kind of a nude, as you can see. This is more suitable for light to medium skin tones. The formula on this is really nice. It looks completely matte on the lips, but it is really nice and creamy, glides on beautifully and stays comfortable throughout the day. This one retails for 450 rupees, so it is pretty inexpensive as well, and this one will not go for somebody who has a medium to a deeper skin tone, but you get many shade options in this range, and it is absolutely worth trying. Next up I have my Lamel Powder Drop Comfort Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade 402 Spicy. Again, you have seen this on my channel quite a few times before, and then this is what the packaging on it looks like. It's a full matte black packaging, a nice closure to it, and then this is what the bullet on it looks like. Now this one again is a very beautiful beigey nude with a hint of a pink to it. Again, a very comfortable matte formula. It looks completely matte but very nice, very creamy, glides on beautifully. Again, suitable for light to medium skin tones, and perfect to be worn with a nice smoky eye. This one is super long lasting as well and very comfortable on the lips. This is a deal breaker for me, guys. I need my lipstick to be really comfortable as well. I love the formula and the shade on this lipstick. You can see it is a beautiful shade, and the formula is really nice and creamy. This one retails for only 395 rupees, and you can get Lamel literally everywhere these days. Next up I have the Mamaearth Creamy Matte Longstay Lipstick with Murmuru Butter and Vitamin E, and I got mine in the shade 07 Pillow Nude. This is what the packaging on it looks like. I am not a fan of the packaging. It's a very cheap plasticky kind of a packaging. The outer is color coded with the color of the lipstick, but not really because the lipstick itself is pretty light than the packaging. This one is very inexpensive, retails only for 399 rupees, and a good one at the drugstore. You definitely can try it out. This again is a very beautiful beigey nude and glides on beautifully, a matte lipstick but a very comfortable formula, very creamy lipstick, and stays put for a really good amount of time. And this is what the shade on it looks like, a very creamy matte, a very creamy formula, and a very comfortable one as well. Next up I have my Maybelline the UltiMattes lipstick in the shade More Buff. This is not just my favorite lipstick at the drugstore, this is one of my absolute favorite lipsticks ever. I absolutely love the formula and the shade and literally just everything about this lipstick. This particular shade is more suited for light to medium skin tones, but you do get some other shades for deeper skin tones as well. There is one shade called More Top, which is perfect for medium to deeper skin tones, and you have to try this formula. This one retails for 599 rupees, and it is worth every penny you spend on this. You can see how beautiful and creamy this is, and again a very matte looking lipstick but very comfortable on the lips. Next up, I have the newest launch from Lakme. This is their Rouge Bloom Powder Bullet Lipstick in the shade 201 Nude Nectar. This is what it looks like. Just look at that beautiful golden packaging, and just look at the flower pattern on the bullet itself. I love the look of this lipstick. Again, it's a very beautiful beigey pinky nude, very comfortable on the lips. A matte lipstick but very creamy, very comfortable, stays put for a really good amount of time, glides on like butter. This one retails for 999, which is a bit up there for the drugstore, but trust me, it is worth trying, and I absolutely love this formula from Lakme, and I just love everything about this lipstick, from the packaging to the formula to the shade. Everything is absolutely phenomenal. The last bullet lipstick that I have for you guys today is again the newest launch from K Beauty, their Hydra Creme lipstick in the shade Complicated. This is what the packaging on it looks like. It is a nice pale golden component with K imprint all over the component and the K imprint all over the bullet as well. This one is a very beautiful shiny nude. This will give you a beautiful creamy finish to the lips, and again glides on beautifully, very comfortable. This is a hybrid between a lip balm and a lipstick, because it will give you the comfort of a lip balm but also the pigmentation of a good lipstick. Again, this one retails for 999 rupees, a bit pricey but worth every single penny that you spend on it, and I would definitely say that this one is absolutely worth trying. This one is more of a your lips but better kind of a shade for my skin tone, and this is the lightest shade that they have. You do get some other deeper shades. You can definitely go for another shade, but this formula is absolutely beautiful. Now coming on to the last 4 liquid lipsticks that I have for you guys today. The first one is my Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kaapi. I have the mini version of this, but this is the most hot selling shade from Nykaa, and it is beautiful. This one will work across literally almost all skin tones. It's a very beautiful brown nude, perfect to be worn with literally any kind of a makeup look or literally any kind of an outfit, and the formula is really nice. This dries down to be a completely matte and a transfer proof formula, pretty long lasting as well. It will dry out your lips a tad bit, so you need to prep your lips really well before you go for this, but again, a formula worth trying nonetheless, and a shade worth trying nonetheless. The full size of this one retails for 675 rupees and the mini retails for 325 rupees. If you do not want to commit to the full size, definitely try out the mini one, and you will not regret buying it. Mine is almost empty, so it is getting a bit difficult to swatch, but this is what the shade on it looks like, and it's beautiful. Next up, I have the Recode Beauty Studio Pro Liquid Lipstick in the shade 14 Call Me On. This is what the component on it looks like. It's a pretty beautiful long tube, transparent and with a rose gold lid, and this is what the doe foot on it looks like. This shade again is a very beautiful brown nude, again suitable for all skin tones. Again, dries down to be a completely matte and a transfer proof formula, and a pretty long lasting one as well. This one will dry out your lips a tad bit, so you have to prep your lips really well, but it looks beautiful, and it's worth trying. You can see this one again is a bit of a deeper nude, and this one retails for 545 rupees and definitely worth trying. Second to last, I have from Lakme, again one of my absolute favorite formulas of all time. This is their Absolute Lip Mousse in the shade Nude Natural. I love this formula. I just love this formula, like even for an everyday basis. It's a beautiful pinky nude. It's a moussey texture, so it will not dry out your lips. It is not a completely, dries down to be a completely matte or a transfer proof formula. It is matte and it is transfer proof, but it is very comfortable on the lips. It will not dry out your lips at all. The formula is beautiful, the shade is beautiful, everything about this lipstick is just stunning. This one retails for 899 rupees and you have to try it out. It is absolutely stunning. You can see it is a very beautiful formula, glides on like butter, and a stunning shade. And last but not the least, I have one of the most viral lipsticks that is in India right now, known as the Alia lipstick. I have the L'Oreal Infallible liquid lipstick in the shade 601 Worth It. This shade has been so famous as a Alia Bhatt shade because she is the one who introduced this shade in India, and it is beautiful. It is absolutely worth it. This is what the doe foot on it looks like. It is a beautiful pointed and thin doe foot applicator. The shade itself is stunning. It's a very beautiful pinky nude, again a shade that will more suit light to medium skin tones. For deeper skin tones, they have the Worth It Intense as well, which also is beautiful. And the formula on this again is a very beautiful, dries down to be a completely matte and a transfer proof formula. It can be a tad bit drying on your lips if you have very beat up lips, so you need to prep your lips really nicely. This one also is a bit of a pricier lipstick, retailing at 999 rupees, but definitely worth it. Well, that is it for today's video, you guys. These are my top 10 picks for good drugstore nude lipsticks, all of them under 1000 rupees and perfect for the wedding season. मैं इसका high end version भी बनाने वाली हूँ very soon, so stay tuned to know my higher end picks for my absolute favorite nude lipsticks for the wedding season. And well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel. And now let's get into the giveaway winner announcement. And hello guys, welcome to my giveaway winner announcement. The winner for my Diwali giveaway is Diljit Kaur. Congratulations Diljit, and thank you for all the efforts that you made on my channel. And to everybody else who did not win this time, guys, my New Year giveaway is coming in super soon, so you have another chance to win a giveaway from me. Please stay tuned to my channel, invite more of your friends, invite more of your family, like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.